Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with our advent calendar and it is day 10 and I've got my pretty Christmas nails on. These are they're called wraps. They're like stickers. I have an unboxing for the channel. I don't know if it's up yet. It's probably not up yet. I don't know. I can't keep track when videos go up, but day 10. Let's push them in, break them out. Nails are okay. It's like in the door. Oh, my fingers are so big, it's hard to get them out of these little cubby holes. And day 10 is a Christmas tree. That is super adorable, you guys. Super, super adorable. So, like the others, this is just one-sided, but you can see the sticker through the back, so it's still pretty. And they're so sweet. I really enjoy them. So let me just get all set up and we'll work on this. Alright guys, so I am back. And here we have our adorable little Christmas tree ornament. And if you look closely, there's Santa decorating. And there's some snowmen and a little reindeer. Can you see that? And I decided to go with the gold keychain because I thought it was pretty. And I made a mistake at first because I have an M and a W and I couldn't tell which was the M or the W's. And I accidentally used the orange when I should have used the yellow. So I fixed that. But that is it. And this has a few bigger ones and at the over here, but all the rest are smaller. So I'm really enjoying these keychains, and I'm really having so much fun with this advent calendar, and I hope that you are enjoying it too, because I'm just getting so much joy from opening these and doing them. And I hope I'm bringing you a little bit of joy too. All right, you guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things. And most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. Bye for now, guys. Merry Christmas.